Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ka khatwai terek unaitung. Menteri Sarkar berikmi yakatanan kakot kekia jongkar Sarkar jela. Ulale jurep yakawai ni kicika sumar kabadan hak constituency jong uhi ha Pynthorumkhrah kabadang dai tang ke Dispensary. Kani ke jingle jurep uba el hang kalong na kabenta ban ketiu kerdan no yaka shaka Urban Health Center. Yaka ba ansa Shimti no ru yakani kicika sumar daka North East Indira Gandhi Institute of Health and Medical Sciences Neigrihms Hospital. Hakini jinglai jureb jong uni Menteri Sarkar Laidan Langro Director jong Neigrihms Professor Dr. DM Thapa bat ki wei ki Dr. jong ka hospital Hamauding Dang kumjuru ki Dr. jong Sarkar jela bat ki officer jong ki wei kitnan jong Sarkar Meghalaya.
Jingwan jureb jungi gani ka dispensary ni ban upgrade jaga Urban Health Center. Gani ka Urban Health Center ansa Shimti no daga Neigrihms. Bagan Neigrihms selora hangni ban ai nam dag ban ai training nam dag interns ki bele internship bar haju upor kindon ki medical ki doctor hangni ki medical professional kindon be arab sau konta dag bata ban ai service nam dag jingdon kam ki paiba jongan ni ka sinong bagi sinong ba marjan haju upor kini ki bawan dag banta gane ke ban le internship hangni kinne tu seki community seki yang juga beriu ban le ban pe ya ka jingpang jingstom ka maki gidon ban ai ru ka dawai ru kin ai free community medicine kin ai free na ka leng jong Neigrihms nam dag jidon kam jong kani ki paiba jong ni no sino kani sino no musong imut ban nang sedang ban frame no ya ka MOU neladep ka memorandum of understanding neladep ikata tengin syong perkhala dang sutu bagalong ka babiang hin dang sedang ngin sedang no immediately kani kam Barok ki marjan marok haj kadukam nam talot jang barok mdai tangga sino musong tang mangi wara hangni po sino musong gemar ba ka kan kata lut ya barok jang kam jangga ki brik no wan nang let ki waka sa sumarang ni.
Neigrihms is a central government institution, so we have to extend our services to the community. So there are two type of communities. One is rural communities and the urban communities. So the urban community, we were looking for a state government help because we did not have our own urban health center. So we were looking for the one of the center which the state government is running. So we can join hand with the state government and we work together for the community. So that is the purpose. And once we come to play our role here, we will develop this into a model urban health center. So which will have a facility even to admit patients inside. Even deliveries can take place. Okay, so the vaccination, all those facilities, even sometimes the emergency patients can be taken to the Neigrihms. So ambulance can be placed here, so they can get the access to the things. And then the Neigrihms will have a lot of people working with us from the nursing college, from our medical college. They will survey the communities, find out what are the health problems and health issues which are there. And those problems and health issues we will try to tackle with the help of the state government as well as our own resources. So that is the basic purpose. So this will be the first urban health center of ours. We are already having a rural health center with the state government. We are working. So in the community, so that is there. But in future we wanted to have our own rural health center. We are looking for a place where we can buy the land and we will build our own community the rural health center.